If you're struggling with test day nerves on the day of your driving theory test, then here's a few little tips and tricks that can help you get through that test and see success. So, the first thing is just to make sure you turn up nice and early. The last thing you want to be doing is rushing into that exam, into that test at the last minute. It causes unnecessary panic. So, just make sure you arrive in plenty of time and make sure you take your license with you. Now, when you take your theory test, you're going to get 50 questions. Now, take your time with the questions. Make sure you read every question and every answer fully before selecting your answer. Any questions that you're not sure of, flag them because at the end of the test, you can come back when you might have a bit more time and review any flagged questions. Now, most of the time, when people tend to read a question, they do tend to select an answer pretty quickly without reading all of the different options. And sometimes there's slight variations in those questions as well. So take your time, like I say, read it all fully, read all of the answers, and then think what's the safest, what is the best option to pick. And like I say, flag it if you need to. Then you're going to move on to the hazard perception part of the test. You're going to get 14 clips. Remember that there is 15 hazards. So we want to look out for one of the clips that's going to have two hazards in it. They're not going to tell you what that is. You're expected to spot that yourself. So look for the developing hazards, the things that would cause you to change direction or speed, and click as early as possible. Then after you've finished that, you'll get your result. Now, you do need to pass both parts of your test. If you don't pass, don't get disheartened. Stick with it. Try it again. But hopefully, you will see success if you've revised properly. We recommend passing 3 consecutive mock tests before even booking your test. Now, if you need any help or support with any aspect of your driving theory revision, come and join over 20,000 others that we've helped inside the driving theory workshop. The link to join that is in the bio section, or you can just drop me a yes on this video and I'll reach out, give you some advice and support to help you to pass.